thunderstorm warning for northwestern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Myerstown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Downed trees were also reported with this storm in Lebanon County. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamburg, Wallingford, Fernville, and Strausstown. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Berks, Pennsylvania,